In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out on Alibaba. Whether you've just finished a session of exploring the vast array of products or you simply need to switch accounts for business purposes, logging out of Alibaba is an essential skill to have. Let's walk through this simple, straightforward process. First, the journey begins by navigating to the Alibaba website. Open your preferred web browser and type in www.alibaba.com. Hit enter and you'll be directed straight to the homepage of Alibaba, where millions of products and suppliers from around the world are at your fingertips. This homepage is where your logout journey begins. Once you're on the homepage, you'll need to locate the person icon which represents your account. Usually, you will find this icon at the top right-hand corner of the web page. It might look like a small silhouette of a person symbolizing your profile. Clicking on this icon is a crucial step, as it will open a drop-down menu that provides several options related to your account activities. Now, with the drop-down menu fully visible, look for the option that says Sign Out. This option is often placed toward the bottom of the list, making it easy but not necessarily the first thing you might see at first glance. Hover over it and give it a quick click. Doing so will effectively and securely log you out of your Alibaba account, ensuring that your session information is no longer active on this particular browser. And there you have it, folks. In a few simple steps, you've successfully logged out of Alibaba. It's important to always remember to log out, especially when using a shared or public computer, to keep your account information and transactions private. This small action goes a long way in maintaining security and privacy when dealing with online marketplaces. As an additional tip, if you're accessing Alibaba through a mobile app, the steps are slightly different but follow the same principle. You would similarly click on the profile icon, then find the sign out option within the menu. Regularly logging out of your accounts, regardless of the platform, is a good habit and contributes to better online security practices. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you found this guide helpful and that you're able to log out of Alibaba with ease from now on. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials and tips to enhance your online shopping and account management experience. Stay safe and have a wonderful day navigating Alibaba and the vast digital marketplace.